So in this video we are going to create a function that will get us the current time using the built-in datetime function module in Python. In the previous video you saw how we can create a function that will convert the text to speech. So let's run the function one more time.
This is Friday, our assistant.
So it worked correctly. Now let's remove this line from here, and first of all we will have to import the datetime library. So you can import this by typing import datetime. Now we will create a function that will get us the current time. So let's name it time and define a variable named time and set it equal to datetime.now. So what it does is it gives us the current time. We will convert this into str or string, and we will give a format here. Using this format we will get the first parameter as hour, then second, and the last one as seconds. So after getting this thing we need a program to speak the time. So for that we will call the speak function and pass time variable in here. So let's call the function at the end and see if it works or not. Um, so now let's save the program and try to run it.
8:14 and 11 seconds.
So as you can see the program worked correctly. Now in the next video we will try to get the current date using the datetime function.